Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I want to do a look that is a really good transition look that you can wear in the day or in the night. So let's just jump in and get this video started. I'm going to start with my Keep It Perfect spray from Essence. And then I'm going to go in with my Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. I'm going to go ahead and cover that with some concealer a little bit later, but for now this is fine. For concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use the LA Girl Pro Conceal. And I'll also take my Colourpop concealer in Deep 70, and I'm just going to layer it right over top of that. I'm going to blend that in last so it has some time to set and really just stay in that one place. Go ahead and blend it all in. I always like to take my concealer over my lids to just prime them. And then with these two that I'm using to cover the blemishes, I'm going to just pat really gently. Not really moving my sponge all around, just kind of concentrating it in the spot where I set it down. And then once I have it set down, I will just gently blend around the edges to just blend it into the foundation. I'm going to go with my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm just going to set my entire face with a nice big fluffy brush. A little extra powder on the nose, over the lids. That just helps your eyeshadows to glide on so much nicer. And then just go ahead and fill in your brows. I'll just go ahead and set them with a little bit of Benefit Give Me Brow. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the eyes. I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to start off with the shade. Creamsicle over a fluffy brush, and just sweep that through my entire upper crease. Nice windshield wiper motions, and just kind of really blow the shade out. I will then tap into Roxanne and Buns on the same fluffy brush and just go a little bit lower. I'm going to add just a tad more depth. I'm going to dip into Mocha and just a little bit of Jax. So the shade right here and this shade down here. I'm going to focus on the outer corner. Just setting it down with these little wiggly motions. And then I'll gently bring that in the crease. But I'm only going to bring it in about halfway through the crease, not all the way in to the inner corner like I did with those other shades. Go ahead with a clean blending brush and just buff everything out. Make sure everything looks nice and blended. And then we will go into the shade 24/7 just on our finger. This shade, you definitely need to use it wet to get the full opacity of the color. If not, you're really just gonna get a slight sheen and a lot of sparkle. But I actually want that, so I'm just gonna take it dry and just put that all over the eyelid. It is like the perfect shimmer shade that's super without being too metallic, just perfect for every day, especially if you have a nice chocolatey skin tone. As you can see, it just like added a little bit of shimmer to the lids. I'll just go ahead and highlight the brow bone. I'm going to take a little bit of Little Lady. I'm then going to take the Fenty Beauty highlighter in How Many Carats. This is a blank base highlight. It just has a lot of shimmer in it, as you can see right there. And I'm going to take that all through my inner corner, and this is really going to add a very unique pop to this look. And then on a pencil brush, I'm just going to go right ahead back into Creamsicle, and I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Pukey under the lash line and connect it to the inner corner. I just got this Jaclyn Hill palette and the Fenty highlighter, and this has a lot of like really great pigment in it, and the colors really stand out, and the Fenty highlighter is really cool, so those are really fun to play with. I'm going to take the Milani bronzer in Golden. This is number 6. I'm just going to bronze my face. I'm gonna add a little bit of blush from this e.l.f. dark blush palette on a nice fluffy brush because I just don't want it too heavy. I kind of want to all over highlight, so I'm gonna take my Pixie Cafe Con Dulce Sweet Glow palette. I'm gonna take a little bit of this peachy shade right here, a little bit of shade of the shade beside it, and just really gently go over my cheeks. As you can see, it just adds like a more natural sheen using that very loose fluffy brush. And I'm also going to show you 3 different lip options because we are taking this from day to night. For the first one, I want to go in a simple matte lipstick. This one is Nude Nuance. It's by Maybelline. So this is our first look. This is our very daytime appropriate lip. For the next lip, I'm going to go in with Coffee Crave. This one is by Covergirl, and I actually got this one from Colourpop for Christmas. This one definitely has more shine. This one is more of the dinner look. And then for the last look, we're going to go really intense. We're going to go straight in with black. There's still like a little leftover sparkles from that last color, but as you can see, this one is very bold, very intense. Definitely very, but I like it. I don't know, it's very cool. And this one is definitely like a I'm ready to go to the club and get turned up kind of lip. But anyways, I hope you guys liked this video with the 3 different lip options, and if you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. I actually really like this look. I actually liked it with all lips. I think the first one was my favorite, but let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, please. It's amazing. It makes my day every time. And anyways guys, yes, I will see you next time. Bye.